Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Sparrow Wallet for Bitcoin privacy workflows, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Sparrow Wallet website. Look for the download section on the home page. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. For Windows users, click on the Windows installer link. For Mac OS users, select the Mac download option. If you're using Linux, choose the appropriate package for your distribution. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Sparrow Wallet. After installation, open the Sparrow Wallet application. You will be greeted by a welcome screen. Select Create New Wallet to set up your first wallet. You can also choose Open Existing Wallet if you already have one. For new users, create a unique wallet name. Next, choose your wallet type. Select Standard Wallet for a typical Bitcoin wallet setup. You are now prompted to set up a backup phrase. Write down the 12-word recovery phrase carefully. Store this phrase in a secure location. Confirm your recovery phrase in the app. Choose to either enable or disable the passphrase feature. If you want additional security, set a strong passphrase. Once your wallet is created, you'll see an overview screen. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate to the Settings tab for privacy options. Enable options like CoinJoin for enhanced privacy. Add any existing addresses or import previous wallets if desired. To receive Bitcoin, click on the Receive tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.